Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off allow apps to request to track on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Tracking. Next, tap on Allow Apps to request to track. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, then you will allow apps to ask to track your activity across other companies' apps and website. If you want to switch it off, then by default, apps will not be even asking you to asking for you permission to allow them to track. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.